Good afternoon. My name is Phil Disselcohen, Assistant Instructor at Broadway Family Karate. Today we're going to look at the spinning back fist. We're going to do this from a front stance, like it's in the pattern, Do San. So we'll get to a good front stance. Okay, so we want to start by chambering your left fist on top of your right shoulder, thumb down. Okay, so what you want to do before you actually do the spinning move, you want to look, turn until you can see the front out of the corner of your eye, and then you're going to lift up your left foot and come around and perform the back fist. Okay? Now, let me do that one more time. Okay, good front stance. Left fist on top of your shoulder. You're going to turn so you see where you're going, and then you're going to perform the spin, and then once you plant your foot, you're going to do the back fist. Okay? So you don't want to do the back fist as you're stepping through. You want to wait till you plant your foot before you perform the back fist. I'm actually going to do that one more time. All together. Turn and spinning back fist. Okay, now I'm going to do it from the side. Okay. Front stance. Okay, I want to look over my left shoulder, turn, and then spin. And when I plant my foot, do the back fist. Just like that. One more time. Okay. Turn, spin, back fist. Okay, now I'm going to have my assistant come in and help me demonstrate this on a locker. So we'll do it this direction, and then we'll do it the other direction. Okay. Okay, so you got to be a little bit of distance away from your partner because you're actually stepping towards your partner. So you got to be careful. You got to be a little bit of distance away. Okay, good front stance. Good front stance. Okay. Look over my left shoulder. Turn as I step down. Back fist. Good front stance. Okay. Turn, look, spin, and strike. Strike moves. Back into a right front stance. Back just a little bit. Okay. I'm going to turn, make sure I can see, almost see the target. Turn, back fist. Okay. Again. Turn, step through, back fist. Okay, one more time. And go. Thank you, Miss Bible. Okay, so that's the spinning back fist. Make sure, starting in a good front stance, and you're actually turning to the point where you can see your target, where you're actually striking, and then perform the spin, and then when you plant your foot, you're going to perform the back fist. And that is the spinning back fist.